Hi there, I'm Bo Miller from Boutique Realty, and today I'm at 18 Edward Street in Eastern Heights, and I'm going to show you through this 1960s home. It's in original condition. It's on 612 square meters, and it's ready for you to come and renovate. All right, so as you can see, we've got a double garage here. Lovely timber windows, they're unchained. I'll take you out through the back first before we go inside. The home is on concrete stumps. We do have a building report available for you, so please feel free to reach out and request that. There's a garden shed, really good sized backyard. I'm going to walk you the whole way around just so you get a look at each side of the property. Oh, I can smell some gorgeous trees. I don't know what they are, but they smell amazing. All right, that back door goes into your laundry. I'm not going to take you through that way. I'll show you when we get inside. So timber stairs going up. They're not in the best condition. They will need to have some work done. Carport roof and the roof on the house, both in really good condition. However, the gutters are not. It's going to need some new gutters and downpipes. It's got gorgeous timber floors. So they go through the entire house, but they have been carpeted over. Kitchen is sort of a lino base. Original 60s kitchen, and all the glass in there is intact. Big lounge room. I'm told the air conditioner works. I have not tried it, but there's a Panasonic air conditioner there on the wall. Okay. Head down the hallway. Got shower over bath, toilet and a little vanity. Now it's all usable at the moment, but I would recommend a renovation. There's obviously some water damage in that bathroom, so I'd be keen to get onto that straight away. I would call this your main bedroom. Big wardrobe built in. Or you could almost use this one as the main because it's probably the biggest room. It just doesn't have the built-in wardrobes. We will leave the wardrobe and the dresser that's there. That will come with the property as one of the chattels. Beautiful blue paint. You might want to paint over that as well. The maroon, depending on your taste, you might love that. And again, carpeted flooring with the timber underneath. So it is a fabulous opportunity for someone. Certainly you'd be wanting to renovate. You could live here if you wanted to before you got started. It's all ready to go, and I love to show you through. So give me a call if you're interested, 0411 439 437. I'm Bo from Boutique Realty, and today I'm in Eastern Heights. I'll see you soon.